Does the First Amendment right to protest allow you to hold signs? In recent days, protests have surged across the country, raising questions about the rights of individuals to express their views. One common question is whether the First Amendment allows people to hold signs during these protests. This topic is timely and relevant as many seek to understand their rights in the context of current events. The First Amendment of the United States Constitution guarantees the freedom of speech and the right to assemble peacefully. This means that holding signs during a protest is a recognized form of expressing opinions and messages publicly. It is important to know that this right is generally protected, but there are some limitations to consider. Authorities can impose regulations regarding the time, place, and manner of protests. For instance, they may restrict protests to prevent traffic obstruction or to maintain public safety. However, they cannot prohibit the content of the signs or discriminate based on the viewpoints expressed. If protesters block roadways or refuse to disperse when lawfully ordered, they may face charges such as disorderly conduct or obstruction. However, simply holding a sign is usually protected speech. It is also essential to understand that protests on private property can lead to trespassing charges if participants do not leave when asked, even if they are holding signs. While the First Amendment prevents government retaliation and viewpoint discrimination, it does not protect speech that incites violence or lawless action. Therefore, holding signs at a protest is a protected activity, provided the protest remains peaceful and complies with reasonable regulations. Protesters should remain calm and respectful to avoid legal complications, especially when interacting with law enforcement. Knowing these rights can help individuals navigate protests more effectively and ensure their voices are heard. Understanding the balance between expression and regulations is key to participating in peaceful demonstrations.